Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my taquitos recipe with you. So come on, cook with your Tita and let's go through our ingredients. Now, I have carnitas or pork meat that I separated or shredded. If you want to know my recipe, you can go ahead and go to the video. Okay, I already have video for this. It's already been flavored. So let me tell you, while I'm separating it, the aroma, it's so good. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. Let's mix that thoroughly. Okay, and then we will proceed to the rest of our ingredients. Okay, anyway, I like yellow corn tortilla instead of white corn, but that's up to you. Today I am using yellow corn tortilla. Okay, and I have red onion that I chopped up. We're going to put it here. Some people would crisp up their carnitas, but I don't want my meat crispy because we're going to fry it anyhow, right? So I'm gonna show you how to put them together, and then we're gonna go over there and we're gonna fry this yummy yum. Okay, all right, we got situated over here. So we are going to preheat our tortilla or tortillas. If you don't, when you roll the taquitos, your tortilla is gonna break. Okay, so we have to heat up your tortilla just enough to soften your tortilla. You know what, this is too big of skillet. All right, we switch skillet. Once your frying pan heat up, turn it down. Okay, you don't want that to burn the tortilla. You just want that to heat it up. So now we are going to get some meat out of there, or scoop up some meat. Okay, and just put enough meat where you can roll the tortilla like so. Okay, like that, and then put a toothpicks to hold your tortilla. And then we're going to put it in here. See? So what we're trying to do now, we're just gonna crisp up the tortilla, right? And then take him out. Now, put him over here and let's drain the oil, okay? We're gonna do another one. Now when you heat up your tortilla, don't leave it in heat for long time, okay? Because if you crisp up your tortilla, you're gonna have a hard time rolling it. You understand what I mean? So just enough to heat up your tortilla until flexible. You see what I mean? And while you're doing your tortillas, before you put them in there, be sure the meat is not hanging out. Otherwise, you're gonna lose all your meat. I will do the rest of my taquitos. I'm gonna wrap them all and fry it. And then I will show you how it looks, okay? Before I stop showing you, like I said, don't put a lot of meat in your taquitos. Just put enough like so, and kind of push it a little bit so it won't come out. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of this and then I'll show you. Okay. All right, guys, almost done cooking our taquitos. I took the toothpicks out and reuse them. If you want to do that, that's up to you. After I fry them, I put them in a rack, tilted like that, so the oil would drain. Okay, so now I would like to taste our products or our yum yum. Let's taste it. I have here guacamole. By the way, it's already cooled off because I already let it drain. Oh my goodness, guys, the aroma, it's really good. Okay, so we'll see how crunchy they are. Oh my goodness, they are really good. I'm gonna say it again. Be careful not to burn your taquitos. You just want your tortilla to get crunchy because everything else it's already cooked. Okay, guys, let it drain before you plate it. That's it. Delicious dish. Everything here, it's already videoed. Click the video or watch the video so you can see how I did all my ingredients. Okay, so anyhow, guys, enjoy my recipe for my taquitos, and until next time, when you cook with your tita right here in my kitchen, and I always say bon appetit. Bye, guys.